Yo, the greatest health advice you will ever get, part 2. You know, say yo, me grow to realize that every food where you consume, the end product of it is starch. And starch is a type of sugar. So even in a vegetable leaf, you can use iodine to test and find starch in there. That means yam where you eat ton starch, rice ton starch, vegetable ton starch, most I turn into sugar, because starch is a type of sugar. Now, you see why we are get so sick? Because we are name dead starch, we are in a rice. If you're not name wild rice, which is black one, but not only that, this extra sugar where the European them Caricom here in a sugarcane, it we no need it, they become iron in our muscle. It makes so much melanated people suffer from diabetes. Let me tell you, sugar in our eye cause glaucoma, sugar in the skin cancer, sugar, yo brother, sugar cause every disease. Mrs. Sugar, the blind people right now. Why you think young people them are wear so much glasses? Look at me. I never take a test for a test glass. Left sugar alone. You hear? You already have it in a fruits and vegetable. You don't need it. Yeah man, and for more inspiration like this, check out my new book, Earth, Book 1. Locally here in Jamaica and overseas, you can purchase it on Amazon. And coming up is the knowledgeable true virgin clothesline who wear it and model it the best. You will be getting an herbal package prize. So stay tuned.